Hello YouTube family, once again welcome to my channel Flavorful Shots with Pallavi. Ever tasted a soup that feels like a hug? This is soup number 5 in my soup series. A creamy pumpkin soup made with simple ingredients full of flavor and topped with crunchy hazelnuts. This soup is perfect for 2 people, so let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious updates. Did you know? Pumpkin soup has been around for centuries. It was first made by Native American tribes who roasted pumpkin and used it in stews and soup long before modern recipes existed. Later, early settlers in America adopted this idea, and pumpkin soup became a comforting dish for cold winters. Over time, it spread across the world with every region adding its own twist, like coconut milk in Asia or spices like curry powder in modern kitchens. So every spoon of this soup carries a little piece of food history, simple, nourishing and timeless. Our soup is ready. Pour the hot soup into bowls, top with chopped parsley and toasted hazelnuts. Look how creamy it is, and the crunch on top makes it even better. Amazing. This pumpkin soup is warm, healthy and super tasty. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, share it with a friend and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy recipe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.